Hello friends, it's going to be kind of loud because I have the heater going. It's pretty chilly outside. But today we're going to get these finished up and ceramic coated. Now I want a ceramic coat on these. These I've been fighting with for a couple of years now. I will try and get the video so you'll be able to see it. But there was a clear coat put on these and they didn't want a clear coat on them. And so it's been a challenge to get it off. You can still see that there's a little bit, some of it's interior damage on the inside of the headlight. But on the outside of the headlight, I'm still working on getting that off. So the only thing protecting these is a ceramic spray coating that I put on it all the time. But today, I'm going to use this Headlights Restoration Kit by Cerakote. Now, I don't know what's in here, so let's look inside the kit and see what it's got. Okay, look at there. We've got the clear coat, the ceramic clear coating, sorry. We've got an oxidation remover. Not sure what this is for, but I'm going to read up on it. And I've got to watch the video. This one has the card in it, and it's got the little scanner QR code, so I'll scan that and watch the video. Here is step 2, and this is the sanding discs. I'm curious to use these, I'm hoping. And then I wonder if these are reusable. I wonder if those are reusable because, hello. Now, what is that? Oh, gloves. They got gloves in there, but obviously I'm not wearing the gloves because they're always too big for me. These are even too big for me, but the small ones are too small. The mediums are too big. See? Welcome to my life. This says step 2. The red sanding disc in your kit is now burgundy, 2000 grit. The gray sanding disc in your kit is now green, 3000 grit. But let's get started. Alrighty, so step number 1 is the oxidation wipes. And you just go over the headlight inch by inch because you want all of the oxidation off of there. Which we don't have a lot on there, and the reason why is because I maintain them pretty darn well. I've been working on these, trying to get them right for a wipe. But we will use up this wipe for the sake of argument. Okay, so this is the oxidation remover. I'm going to go ahead and do this headlight. That way it can do its thing. And I will be able to go ahead and continue working on sanding. Just a faint yellow, so we're definitely making progress on these headlights. I tell you what, I always thought you could do headlights one time and you're done. When he took it back to get the clear coat removed, they sanded it down and looked like lacquer thinner, and it created these bubbles and stuff. These drips, it was the weirdest thing, and it took me forever to get it back right. But we're now at a point where we can seal them off. And when I have the coating out, we're going to put some on the bottom lights just so that they're coated. But they are new lights. Goodness gracious, these headlights look brand new just by using that stuff. That's crazy. Now it says to wet your surface down and your pad also. I am using the 3000. I did not raise the hood because it's under a lip there, so I should not do any damage to it, but it's all right. Anyway, it looks like there's the parts where I was struggling to get it off is right up here. The ceramic clear coat white towel. It said 50% overlap is perfect. The other coating on this, but now it says if you get it on the paint, you just wipe it off. Looks pretty darn good if you ask me. I wasn't quite sure about those wipes, but that looks good. I got some on that also, if they're new. So as I used the wipe on this one, I went ahead and wiped the bottom one also, just to get some coverage on it. But shoot, what do you think? Okay, we got another one to do. All right, so here's the ceramic wipe. Wipe it if you get it on the paint. Wow, that looks pretty darn good. This is really simple to use. That looks really good. Alrighty, friends, so that's the headlight kit by Cerakote. That's it. That was all there was to it. Of course, I did a lot of prep on the headlights because I've been working on them after what the paint company or the body shop did to the headlights. So, you know, I've really been working on them. But I'll tell you what, having that little sanding block helped me finish that off. If you're a professional, this would be the perfect addition to your business. It'll make restoration super easy, and don't get complicated on it. You know, make it easy on yourself, at least for now. And also, if you're a DIYer at home and you can't afford to have a detailer restore your headlights, that's okay. Go and grab you a Cerakote Headlight Kit. This will restore them, and they will look brand new. You just saw it, brand new. And these wipes, this particular method made it much easier. The only thing I don't understand, it's a ceramic clear coat. However, you don't wipe it off after it flashes. Well, it's not flashing. You just leave it there and let it dry. And it's got to sit in here for an hour. So that's the only thing that's got me stumped, you know, ceramic coat, let it flash, wipe it off, you know. Anyway, it's just weird. But don't let weirdness scare you off. You can do this. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And Cerakote, thank you for the opportunity to use this kit. I was impressed. For the little bit that I had to get done, this made that much, much easier. So thank you. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful day.